how does SEO, how is that involved with YouTube, and how's it related?
So like they use what's called keyword research. So like how does YouTube know what videos to put in front of you? So like if you go on YouTube tonight and you click on YouTube and it opens up, they're going to be thumbnails, those little video covers that you're going to see. It's basically a screenshot image. Right. These are called impressions, right? And you may have, the first time you go on YouTube, you may have a news feed from Fox News, then you have a football game, and then you have a, you know, somebody in their garden, whatever it is, in the beginning. They're showing you all sorts of different things because they don't know who you are and they don't know what you like, right? But when you go into the YouTube search bar, if I type in cats, is YouTube just going to give me unicorns, hippos, and gorillas, and all these other animals, or are they going to give me videos on cats? So they don't know because they're not watching the videos themselves. The only way they know what's going on is by the keywords you punch in. And so there is an algorithm crawler. So when we're optimizing videos, what we want to do is I use a tool called Keywords Everywhere. This basically searches the total search volume of major search keywords on any, so like we buy houses or something like that, right? And so I'm going to use that to suggest a lot of highly searched keywords that have a big volume of searches to it. And I'm going to take one of those big search keywords and I'm going to put that in the title of my video. So let's say we buy houses Houston, right? Well, my title may be like we buy houses in Houston, even if they're falling down or something stupid, right? But the main thing is the main keyword, right? And then in the back office of YouTube, and I have that in my training system that you guys get, I show you there's a tagging section in the back. You have 500 characters to put in your tags. This is going to be sub-variations of your main title keyword. So we buy houses in Dallas, we buy ugly houses, we buy homes, right? You're going to fill up this tagging section of things that's similar to keywords that people are going to type in, because if anybody types in one of those other keywords, YouTube knows that that can be a video they can promote to that person. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to take your main keyword from your title, the tag keywords, and you're going to write a description in the back office of your description section and plug that full of keywords. And then the last thing, you want to have your videos transcribed, because when it's transcribed in the video, it also triggers the algorithm. And if possible, you want to speak those keywords as well, actually word for word in the video. And all that's going to help increase the search engine optimization, because if you speak the words in your video, you have it transcribed, you have it in your title, and you have it in your tags and your description. YouTube knows the video is about cats, not hippos, right?
So it's relatively simple.
And it's very simple. What I made sounded difficult, probably to some of you guys, it probably sound like that's a lot. That's like a very simple thing to do when someone says 2 + 2 is 4. And that's what I show you guys in there. And it shows you exactly how to do it. And that's how one of our agents broke Texas state record last year as a first-year agent, did almost 70 million in sales by keyword optimizing videos for new build construction for California buyers moving to Texas. So you can target the person you're trying to get in front of instead of sending mass marketing out, hoping to get lucky that people that you're looking for come across the volume of marketing.
Mm-hmm.
What platform was that you used?
For what?
The one that you said that you used those keywords to capture new construction builders from California. What platform is that?
As he did it on YouTube. But I created a training system to teach people how to build business YouTube channels that we give to our agents. And so the #1 recruiter in the company at EXP went through my YouTube training. That's how I learned how to optimize videos. So like, yeah, it works.
Well, hot dog.
This is what we created Invest Agents for, to provide this kind of content and bring up successful folks like Connor, like Erica, to show you how to take this content, but you got to put it to work.